Now let us take up our discussion on chapter number 9, special features of audit of different types of entity. An NGO based in Calcutta collected significant donations for flood victims in Bihar. The funds were distributed to various NGOs operating in Bihar to support relief efforts. You have been appointed as an auditor of NGO accounts for the year in which it is collected and disbursed these donations. Draft an audit program to audit the receipts of donations and remittance of the collected funds to different NGO. Now, if you see this case study, my dear soldiers, we are looking into what you can say, my dear soldiers. You look into the audit of what you can say the NGO, that is NGO audit of NGO. So when we are talking, NGO means is a non-governmental organization, and the main purpose is they are not meant for commercial purposes. They are meant for the welfare purpose. They are meant for the social purpose. Okay. So now, how do you conduct the audit? See, they have collected the donations. So first of all, you have to check the internal control system. So whether there is a specific division of responsibilities as to, like say, the collection of donation, custody of receipt book, and safe custody of money. So whatever the donation is collected, there should be a proper custody of receipt book and the safe custody of the money, and there should be, as we say highlighted here, there should be a proper system of issuing the receipts. Whenever your donation is collected, you have to issue a receipt, and any unused receipts are there, it should be returned. So you should have an original copy of the receipt, it should be available there. Sequence number you should check of the receipt, sequence number should be thoroughly be checked. The receipt book should be there should be a carbon copy, there should be a duplicate copy, duplicate receipt, and there should be a signature of responsible official. So when you receive a donation, you give the original copy to the person who has donated, and you have to ensure that there is a responsible official signing the same actually here. Okay, you have to see the date of the check, bank name, about all these things has to be checked. Further, you have to check the bank reconciliation has to be checked actually here. So in this case, what happens here, the bank reconciliation has to be checked actually here for all the cash deposits. Basically here, you have to check all the deposits which has been made. There may be a case where the check is deposited but not cleared. Then you have to reconcile with the receipt book also. So bank reconciliation has to be checked. Then the register of cash donation, whatever cash donation which is received, the donor name, and you have to just deposit the money in the bank on an immediate basis. Any foreign contribution has been received, so you have to comply with the provisions of the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. So any foreign contribution has been received. So have you complied with the requirement of the laws and regulation, that you have to check. Okay. Then, my dear soldiers, once we are thorough with this, you have to check about the remittance. Now, this has been remitted to other NGO. Okay, when it is remitted to other NGO, what are the aspects to be considered? First of all the remittance should be through the account paycheck. So any remittance should be through account paycheck or demand draft. That's a way of control in case of any NGO. So all the remittance should be going through either account paycheck or demand draft. And then all the remittances are supported by receipts or by acknowledgement. That is the thing actually. So you have to see that the recipient NGO should be a genuine entity. You have to see that whether you have to check their address, you have to see the ATG registration number. Those has to be checked actually here. And you have to send the confirmation letters basically where the donation has been paid. You have to check the confirmation letter. That is the thing actually here. So you have to see send the confirmation letter basically to the entity to whom the donation has been paid. That's the thing here. Further, utilization of donation for providing relief. Say, for example, say relief has been provided. So because it has been impacted through floods. So how the donation has been utilized? So it should not be used for any other purpose. This fund has been given to give flood relief to the victims. That's the thing here. Okay, and also the system for selecting the NGO. On what basis have you selected the NGO? What was your basis? Why you have selected this NGO only? What is the reason for that? Even that also you should be very clear. Okay, you have selected this NGO for a particular purpose. Okay, why this NGO has been selected for that purpose? That you have to be very clear. Okay, so these are the various things actually. I'll see you in the next question.